Hello everybody, so today I'm going to be making a forever flower bouquet for my friend. The reason why I'm doing this is because her birthday is coming up next weekend, and I thought the thought of her liking flowers and me making handmade gifts together would make a really memorable gift for her. And this is also my first time making this type of thing, so it might turn out that perfect, but I think it's at least the thought that counts when it comes to handmade gifts. So without further ado, let's go try making this. So firstly, here I have some dark blue felt roses that I got from Amazon, which I'm actually reusing from a party. And here are some yellow flowers that I got from Michael's that were on sale for 99 cents actually, which are really cute. I also got these ones when I went to Michael's. And then here are some purpley pink ones that are from the Dollar Tree. And then also in the Dollar Tree, I got 3 packets of blue glitter and like a pinky purple, which was more than enough for this. And here's a spray bottle for mixing the water and glue later on. And then here's a paper plate, the gold glitter, and then the bamboo skewers, which were way too long. And here's the foam I'll be sticking the flowers into to hold everything together. And then here's my ribbon of choice. This is all they kind of had in my section. And then here's some stickers to put on that ribbon to spell a happy birthday. So what you'll see me doing here is taking my skewers and I'm just breaking them into a more reasonable size. If you have skewers already a more reasonable height for you or the length that you want, you will be able to skip this step. I just had to do it because I had way too long of ones. So now here you're going to take that spray bottle from earlier and some Mod Podge and mix it together with some water to make it a spray glue, and then also poke a hole in that paper plate. So for all of the flowers that you're going to glue, you're going to do the same thing if you have fake flowers that you're using. So what I did was that I put some glue on the skewer and then I put the flower and waited for it to dry just a little bit before adding more glue where it attaches, and then again waited for it to dry so that it didn't fall off. And I repeated this process for every single flower that I had. So for this step, just like the gluing, you're going to have to do it for all of your flowers, unless you don't want some glitter on some of your flowers. So what you're going to do is get a container of some sort. I'm using the plastic that held my hot glue gun because it was kind of perfect for this. But if you have a cup or some other bowl or anything on hand, you can use that just as well. And then what you're going to do is take the glitter for whatever flower you're going to start dipping it in and put that into the container. Then from there, you're going to put your flower that's now on your stick and put it through the hole in the paper plate that you made previously. And now you're going to take your spray that you made and spray that flower. Then once that flower is sprayed, you're going to evenly distribute the glitter in your container and then start dipping it in. After you dip it in, I recommend dusting it off so you don't have any big chunks or anything that's going to fall off as extra. And after that, you have your first completed glitter flower. Now you just gotta do it for the rest of them. For the foam that I'm using, I didn't get the usual just regular floral foam that you could get from the store pre-ready, because I just wanted to get the cheaper one from Dollar Tree rather than paying like $6 at Michael's to get it already perfectly shaped. So what I had to do is just cut mine up into the shape that I needed. Once I got it to the shape that I needed, I'm just taking my flowers and I'm going to stick it into the foam until my flowers are shaped the way that I want. Once my flowers are all shaped, I'm just securing them by putting hot glue around the base. And I also didn't show you guys, but I also wrapped tape around it.